Hello friends, myself Deshmukh Ajay. So today's video topic is non-access modifiers in Java. Java, one of the most widely used programming language, uh, has evolved over time, offering various features of faculties, robust and secure software development. One aspect of the Java stands but of the approach access control, which governs how much classes, methods, and variables can access by other parts of a program. Unlike some of the programming languages like C, C++, C hash, Java has a simpler model for access control lacking explicit access modifiers. In this easy, we will explore the absence of access modifiers in Java, how it impacts programming practices, and the alternative mechanism Java employs to achieve access control. Access modifiers in programming language serve to restrict access to certain components of a program, such as classes, methods, and variables, encapsulating of the implementation details and information security and maintainability. In Java access modifier, there's rules basis language access control mechanism. The absence of access modifiers simplifies the language syntax and reduces, promoting to cleaner and more concise code base. However, it also means that developers need to understand to the underlining rules governing access control to write secure and maintainable code effectively. Java has access control rules primarily based on the concept of packages, classes, and members. Let's delve into each of these. First one is the packages. Next one, classes, members. Packages. Packages in a Java classes organized into packages which serve to namespace and grouping related access classes and providing a full level access control. Classes within the same package have access to each other members without any restrictions. Promoting. Next one is the classes within a package classes can be declared with default package most of private access, meaning they are accessible to other packages and classes within the same package, but not to classes outside the package. The default access level strikes balance between encapsulation and accessibility, allowing to control sharing of a functionality within a package. Next one is a members, methods, and variables within a class inherit by access level of the classes itself. If a class has a default access, its methods and variables are also accessible within the same package but not outside. The principles of ensure that visibility of class members align with the encapsulation of the class. Code clarity and maintainability. Java access control model encourage developers of follow best practices such as information promoting encapsulation and abstraction by leveraging packages and default access. Developers can organize their code effectively and ensuring that implementation details are shielded from unintended manipulation. However, the absence of explicit access modifiers in Java does pose some challenges. One such a challenge in the inability to enforce stricter access controller beyond package boundaries. Unlike languages like C++, where access modifiers like private and protected provide finer grained control or access levels, Java default access is limited package scope. The overcome is the limitation of achieve stricter access control of Java. Offers for new alternative mechanism. Access control keywords. Java provides keywords like public, private, protected, and last one is the default. There are four types of access modifiers in Java. Thank you.